Robert, this is Milo.
Hello, Milo.
Milo. Say hello. Milo.
Is he sleeping?
No. He is looking at us. He is just like that.
Milo, today we learn a new verb. To have. I have a friend. You have a friend. Say it.
I do not have a friend.
Milo.
He speaks English.
He speaks English.
I have is. I listen. You talk a lot.
You could always speak, and you never said anything?
I did not have anything to say.
3 years, Milo. 3 years.
I have a sofa. I have food. I have a window. Why do I need words?
To have a friend.
I have a sofa.
The sofa does not answer you.
Exactly. That is why I have a sofa.
He is very good at this verb.
He is terrible at everything else.
Hello. Hello. I am Johnny. I am a dog. I am hungry.
Who taught him to speak?
I did.
Why?
I have a ball. Do you have a ball?
I do not have a ball.
I have 2 balls.
I do not care.
You can have 1.
I do not want a ball.
Okay.
Robert. Milo said, I do not want.
Yes.
He wanted to say it. To Johnny.
He had something to say.
Hello, Milo.
Hello, dog.
Robert.
I heard him. Tomorrow he will say his name.